Esha Atolia, former MagLab student, MIT graduate, with a PhD from Stanford in chemical and systems biology, and now a senior bioinformatics scientist working in industry. We sat down with Esha on Zoom to talk about her time as a student in the MagLab's ion cyclotron resonance facility and how it shaped her STEM path.
A lot of the basic tools that you learn as a researcher, which is mostly learning how to learn, I think is what it is. I definitely got the foundation for that while I was in the ICR department. I think this is just true for any type of career path. If you don't know it exists, you don't know to even figure out how to go down it. And I think this is true for so many things. If you don't know how to become, if you don't know lawyers exist, you have no idea that it's an option to become a lawyer. And it's, of course, people know lawyers and doctors and these are careers that everyone's heard of. But there are some career paths that, of course, are a little bit more obscure. And I think doing research in biology is one of those things. Not everyone is exposed to what doing research feels like or what it even entails. What does a researcher do? There's so many people and even family members who ask me what I do, and it's really hard for people to wrap their mind around because it's not a normal career path. So I think that's really what was super useful about being at the MagLab really early on. I got to know what's out there. And I think I could have maybe gotten that later on when I was a college student at MIT and I would have done research, but there's so many other things. And the earlier you know, the better decisions that you can make. Exposing yourself to as many different things as possible makes it more likely that you're going to find the one thing that you really, really enjoy. And not to be afraid of something seems difficult or that failure seems imminent, because I think in addition to learning how to learn, which I started, I think, doing early on when I was at the MagLab, that's when that started. What I really learned in grad school later on was learning how to fail. And I think you really learn how to do that because things don't always work out as you expect them to, but you have a project that doesn't go the way you expected and you figure out, okay, well, this is just how biology works, or this is how do we take this in a more positive way. So I think, not being afraid of failure and just trying new things is the biggest thing that you can do for yourself as you're young.
Go to our website to learn more about mentorship and student opportunities at nationalmaglab.org.